Hi, I'm Karen, and I want to tell you about a product called Knockout. It's a herbicide, an incredible weed killer. It does a fantastic job. It's very different from most weed killers. Usually you're used to using a weed killer along a fence line or wherever it is that you're killing the weeds, and sometimes it takes up to 48 hours, 2 weeks before it starts browning, and in about 45 days you've got growth again. Well, our Knockout does not work that way. Our Knockout, if it is 75 degrees and hotter, you're going to see your browning within 30 minutes of application. That is incredible. People love this because if they've got to do a large area fence line, or if they've got to do a right-of-way or wherever they need to kill, it's so much easier on the guys that are applying it to see where they have already sprayed. And within 30 minutes, you're going to see your browning, so you know exactly where you've been, so you don't repeat your spraying. So this is excellent. Something really valuable about the Knockout is that it leaches no more than 6 inches. So if you're a municipality and you're using the Knockout and you've got creeks in your area and you need to kill the weeds around the creeks, or if you're a zoo or any kind of industrial business that needs to kill their weeds, the Knockout will leach no more than 6 inches. So if you're using it along a fence line, first of all, it has no salt, so it will not cause any rusting in the fence line, but it leaches no more than 6 inches. Therefore, if a rain should occur after spraying or whatever, or if you're on an embankment, it will not roll or leach any more than 6 inches. Therefore, it won't get into the waterway. It won't trickle down somebody else's property and kill something that you don't want to kill. Also, being a soil sterilant, you have your growing season. Well, you apply the Knockout and that's it. You apply the Knockout one time and you've got your kill through your root system, and through your whole entire growing season you have no growth because you sterilized the soil, and of course during the dormant season you have no growth. So this is a product that sometimes you can do one-time application and you're done. And it makes it so much easier than the guys that are with the weed eaters and tearing up the thread and having to redo the thread and work with the weed eaters. Even in ornamental gardens you can use this because you can adapt your sprayer, adjust your sprayer so that there's no fan spray from it, so that it's a fine stream. And as long as the Knockout doesn't touch anything that you don't want to kill, you're good. But anything the Knockout does touch, it will kill. So this is an awesome product for apartment complexes. We sell it across the United States, and it's a must to use if you want to save money, if you want to save manpower, and if you want to accomplish killing the weeds and not having them grow back. It kills through contact as well as the root system. So please give us a call. You can go on our website and see the tech data sheet and the material safety data sheet. We look forward to supplying you this product. It comes packaged in many different ways, so just give us a call and place your order. Thank you for visiting us at K-Chem.